Hello and welcome to the 49th episode of the Python tutorial series. In a previous episode, we learned about if statements and conditions. I'll leave a link to that video on your screen and in the video description in case you missed it. However, that was all well and good to start with, but now we've become more skilled at coding. So we could require a piece of code with multiple conditions. For example, let's look at this piece of code. Here we have a number and an if statement. So if the number is greater than 4, we print hello. But what if we wanted to print hello only if the number is between the values of 4 and 7? Well, we could write a second if statement nested inside the first, which enforces the second condition. This would certainly work, but wait! This is also both messy and wasteful. So let's take a step back and return to simple maths. How would you represent when a number is contained between two values in plain maths? Well, you'd represent it like this. So why can't we use the same syntax in Python? Well, it turns out we actually can. So we can simply write num equals 8 and if 4 smaller than num smaller than 7. In other words, if num is contained between 4 and 7, then print hello. See? Isn't this much simpler than the two-line mess we had before? But wait, there's more. What if we had two conditions that couldn't be expressed in a combined way like this? Say we wanted our number to be greater than 4 and even. Well, we can use Boolean operations such as and or. So in this example, we'd write if num is greater than 4 and num modulus 2 equals 0. In other words, num is divisible by 2. In other words, num is even. See how simple it is? And what's even better is that using this method, you can add as many conditions as you want within the same if statement. An example instead of the OR operator could be if we want our number to be greater than 4 or smaller than 1. For example, in this case, we'd write if num greater than 4 or num smaller than 1. So now you can see how powerful these operators can be in creating composite conditions inside of our if and elif statements. With that, I'll let you digest this topic for today and practice implementing these techniques into your own code. As always, if you'd like to support the channel and help new people learn how to code, then please don't forget to leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. If you need to catch up on any previous videos, you can find a link to my tutorial series and coding challenges in the top right-hand corner of your screen and in the video description. Once again, thank you all for watching. I look forward to seeing you all next week, and until then, happy coding!